In this video, we will learn the third iterative command, which is do while. The learning objective of this video are that students know how to use do while in the iterative process, and then students know how iterative command do while will work. How to use do while command. So do while is similar to while, yet do while will do the statement first. So this is the key, that the statement will be done first and checking the true condition or the condition later. Therefore, the statement in do while will at least be executed once, although the true condition is violated or the condition is false. So let us see an example. So here I have two programs, and the first program, it is the implementation of while, and then the second program is the implementation of do while. So you can see the difference is that in the while, that the condition is in the first line of the loops or the iterative process. However, in the do while, the checking condition will be in the last of the iteration. So what is the difference? So here, when I'm using while, I have to define this condition, which is option. It should be true if I want to execute the statement inside of this while. However, in the do while, even though I don't have the value of this option, and if we check that this option is violate this condition, it means that option is not equal to y, so this is false. However, because in the do while we do the statement first, then we check the condition later, then this statement will be executed whatever the condition which is true or false for the first time. So here, even I don't have the value of the option, then I will have this output, which is again. Okay, then if I put this option equal to y, then it will be checked whether this option is equal to y. Suppose I put no for the second iteration, then this option will be checked whether it is equal to y. So this is false because because option is equal to n. So the iteration will be finished, so it will go to the next line. And here the example of the flowchart while you're using do while. If you can see here, the difference between while and do while is that the checking condition is done after we do this I minus minus. So suppose you see here that the variable file is equal to 0, and if we check the condition here that 0 is not greater than 0, so this is false, but we have this statement executed, and then it will be decreased by 1, and this is false. So this iteration only one time execution because the condition is false. If we write the flowchart, then we will have that the checking condition is after this I minus minus. This is the difference between while and do while. And then it is allowed to make nested do while as in while and for. And how to do that? This is also similar to while. So you have to define a variable for condition check. So this will be checked in here, and then inside of the first iteration you also declare a variable for checking the condition of the second iteration. So now I hope you can answer this quiz. Only one question here. What is the minimum execution of the statement inside of do while? So the minimum execution will be 1, because if the condition false, then the statement still be executed for the first time. But in while, when you are using while, if the condition is false, then the statement will not be executed. Okay, let us see the next video.